What is up? What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Another episode doing software development, building software solutions to do fun, cool things in interesting ways using PHP, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and whatever else is along for the ride, some MySQL database language. So let's dive right into what is on the docket for today. Oops. Or on the Notion, I should say. I'll even bring up cursor here since I know that's happening. Okay. And so what happened, if you've been watching this series, guys, what we did was we came out with 2 videos where we were working on apexholdings.com. And then we came out with 1 video where I was working on evpc.com, my computer business that sells computer systems. So today we're actually working on evpc. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Today we're actually working on apexholdings.com. And that appears to have been a typo. I have so much to do, by the way. I have an insane amount to do for them. Okay, by the time I get around to the Thursday, which is 2 days from now, I want to have a number of things done, and I don't know if it's even possible. But like, let's take a look. I'm going to just actually forward myself an email here real quick that had a to-do list. Oh. Okay. Just sending myself an email. Okay. Pasting from my clipboard, an enormous. Let's just make sure it all went through. Wow, clipboards are so amazing. The fact that you can just, on your phone, just copy and paste just amazing length of characters. Almost like it doesn't mind, you know? Now, we are going to just copy this in here. Meeting, cease and desist. Okay, so we already had the meeting. This is all been discussed. So this is getting removed from the Notion here. Oops, why can't I cross it out? Can I do this? Okay, it's letting me do it this way. All right, and then everything crossed out is at the bottom. I can also just delete that. Don't need to see that anymore. Okay. All right, validation top priority of admin configuration pane. That is where we are going to start off. And then I'm going to just copy this list in here. Okay. That's my email. Now, let's just start with some development. We're going to go to the store and log in, as we have done a few times already. And so what I noticed is that I was working on the bottom, making progress. We had this issue when we left off that the modal was not able to close on this page, and I couldn't debug it. So with a fresh mindset, we're going back into this to fix this here. Let's see. This appears to be working. Okay. Let me start at the top again of this page. Users list is working. Now, role management. Now, I noticed earlier that I caused something to happen. Now, if I try to add somebody as an admin, it does work. What if I try to make them an admin again? Nothing happens. Now, if that's the case, I actually don't feel the need to do any more validation on that specific topic. The fact of just reassigning them admin when they're already admin or reassigning them user when they're already a user. If my client's doing that, I actually don't feel the need to program it so it pops up to tell him what he's doing since he can see it right here. So, but I do want to limit this spacing. It must be limited to a certain amount of characters. Perfect. It must work with both the email and the username. So let's make myself a user while I'm logged in. Okay, now it's not coming up with the pop-up that says you cannot make yourself a user anymore. So let's go back here. So what's happening here is I'm trying to demote myself from being an admin while I'm logged in. So even though this doesn't work, it should come up with a pop-up telling him what happened. So we're going to switch over to cursor. And let's just inform the AI what is happening. Sorry about that. So we do have the JavaScript here. And it is already 1,346 lines of code. Just the JavaScript for the admin dashboard. So maybe we should include the CSS as well. I forgot we had a discrete CSS file for this. Okay, so we did have it so that there would pop up when the user tries to demote themselves from admin when they are logged in. What happened to that? Can you make black and white Neo looking? Okay, let's slap some style on there. I don't see the self-demotion prevention login. Let's add that back in and style it with a neo-noir look. Really? It doesn't see it in the JavaScript? Whoa, handle thumbnail confirm. Add this function to handle role changes. Handle role changes. But I thought, hang on, role. Initialize role management. Okay, hang on. There is a static file managing roles. Jeez. Validate role strictly. Checking him to see if it's modify current user. Cannot you delete yourself from admin? Here it is right here. Oh. You just had to sneeze a couple times. Okay. Let's just use the same prompt, actually. Update role. Paint JavaScript. Just referencing. Now, let's see what it says. Okay. So my job here is to make sure it's not changing any functionality that it's not supposed to. Add this new function, show Neo notification. And then what's here? I bet she's going to use the new function maybe. So it's going to create a new function and then probably call it, right? That makes sense. And is it going to add... Okay, here it is. Notification inner HTML. I'm not exactly sure how this is working. Notification, message. Here's the third one is message. So I think this function is getting called actually here where it says data.message. I'm not sure. But yeah, here it is right here. Here's a I'm not sure exactly. Looks like it is getting called though. And then we do want to just go ahead and go with the CSS, see if this. Look how long this CSS file is just for this one page, right? My goodness. It's crazy. Do we need to modify the PHP? No, right? I wonder. I thought that was going to be one of the first things I modified was pain. Okay. So it was apparently a JavaScript error. Since we are using discrete files, we do have to clear our caching cookies. Okay. Oh, gosh. Taking a shower feels so good, you guys. I worked 14 hours in a row yesterday. By the way, I've been doing that every day since September 1st when I formed the business. I have not had enough time. I'm constantly going, not making stuff up. Just I have a regular job. I do medical transportation for people in Orange County, California specifically. But even though I live in Texas, I just work at home remotely. So I'm talking to people all day, scheduling trips. And well, after I get off work, I have so much to do for my business that I'm starting. I do not have enough time. And I did not know I was going to have that problem when I first started this. I thought it would be maybe fun. I mean, it is very fun, but I thought it would be like really chill. Maybe I'd have some stuff to do some days. Maybe I'd take a couple orders for computers and then do that. But no, since this started, I have not had a spare second where I couldn't have been working on something. Big surprise. It's been an absolute whirlwind, actually. It's what it's felt like. So, we're just honing our skills. I have been looking at the videos I've been uploading. So, I noticed areas that I could improve on or, oh, here we go. Self-demotion attempt detected, operation canceled. That's actually quite nice. And then what is the logic for reiterating yourself as an admin? Okay, there's not. Okay. While I'm doing this for my client, I will just take the time to in fact do for him what I would do for myself here. Already a user. Oh, I'm sorry. So my prompt is okay. Then, of course, if we try to make somebody an admin that's already an admin or a user that's already a user, we need to have the appropriate likewise styled pop-up. Just a little logic, please. Same CSS, different message content. So let's go into this here. Boop, boop, boop. Let's see, we are 15 minutes into this video. You can add these cases. We will modify the JavaScript to handle these scenarios with similar Neo-style modifications. Here is the addition to the logic. And then we will... Okay, so it's just saying we need to just add this in. Okay, I'm going to... Please help me implement this properly. all I want to do is just be able to click on apply and then accept change. It does want to implement it into a previously existing function, so we are going to verify that the changes being made hopefully don't affect the other perfectly working code we have. So if data success, so it's just modifying the message here. Okay. Okay, so it's got redundant, a successful one, admin demotion blocked, user not found, operation failed for all other cases. It's just a more detailed description, so that's all it's affecting, right? So that's great. Oh, Control Shift Y. Okay. So then we can just go back to our little Bluehost server and update that. All right, let's go back here. Working our way back down on the validation, getting to the monster of the modal that won't close. I guess I'm just avoiding that for now. All right, let's see. Let's try making myself an admin again. No changes made to role. Operation failed. Okay. What if I make this person an admin? Updated successfully. What if I make this person an admin again? No changes made to role. What if I try to make somebody that doesn't exist an admin? The specified username and email does not exist. Okay, what else can you do, right? You cannot do anything else. You cannot, oops. You cannot, you know, you can't, you have to put in stuff. So the only other validation that this would need, okay, would be just, you know, stripping the HTML so that people can't do the special characters, right, for SQL injection. And I think that's already done. So let's just check. Update role. And then I will show you guys the code for the SQL injection prevention in case you're interested in that stuff. I mean, I think it's cool. Let's see. Do we have SQL injection prevention across all fields where you can enter text? Let's look at the, let's check the key input fields and their protection, role management, price management, video. Oh, just for the role management fields, I'm wondering, you know, we do it one at a time to make sure we capture them all, top to bottom, right? Like you go to a site, you know, why not? I mean, that works for this project. Okay. So as you can see here in the JavaScript, it does have in the HTML form, we should add pattern validation, okay? But in the update on the back end, it does have the trim here. I bet you the, I thought it was standard that it had a, you know, this is validating length. But I thought SQL injection properly done would involve the HTML strip special characters. So let's ask Claude. Oh no, Claude is crashing out. Okay, let's just nuke cursor like we did that one day. Hopefully not like we did that one day where we just deleted it or the reference to it. Do we need to have a strip HTML special characters for the role management fields on pane to prevent SQL injection? I wonder if it advised me properly the first time around. Yes, absolutely. While the code already uses prepared statements for many database operations, the role management section should also properly sanitize inputs to prevent SQL injection. Okay. So we're going to upgrade this right now. apply changes. So then what does it do here? Instead of using trim, it's using this. Okay, so it uses trim in combination with what? Only allow safe characters. So, okay, that's how it's doing it here. Now, I thought there was a function called HTML strip special characters. Is it in the PHP? Let's look. Filter sanitize string. So it's using this here. This seems appropriate. May have worked already before. I don't know. This may impact functionality. But we're going to implement these changes anyways and test them. Update role, apply. Can you help me implement changes here? Should we test SQL injection? Should we show you guys what SQL injection looks like so that we can look at the values in our database and look at people's emails while we're on a website? I don't know if that's even, I don't know if that would like violate YouTube's terms of services or not. Let's just stick to white hat stuff. Yeah. Not gonna teach you guys how to do something like that. Otherwise, you might go to Crypto Casey's, little website she likes sending you guys to and mess around with them too much. I don't know. Who knows what could happen if you do that? I hope this doesn't mess with any functionality. What is it? Just want to change one line of code? Or does it already have the changes? Yeah. It's fine. I don't think this is going to affect any functionality. I would bet $5. But it is possible that, I screwed things up at a certain point. I just willing to accept that. Willing to accept it. All right. Validate. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Let's try making this person an admin, see how that works. Oh, wow. We made FASVA an admin. Okay, let's make them a user again. Oh, let's make them an admin again. Let's see if it... No. Okay. Let's make them... Let's try that again. Whoa! I made them a user. Okay, that's good. Now, let's make myself a user. Self-promote demotion attempt detected. Wow, that's cool. I am selling this to my client, so there is a certain degree of professionalism that I have to have before I hand it over to him. It has to meet certain requirements. And we're going to talk more about the guys. I'm ready to move on from this section. It's perfectly fine, right? I can't think of anything that's wrong with it. Okay. Now, what's going on here? This has been validated many times. And look, it automatically calculates the total. Still has the limitations. Let's see what happens when you put in 10%. Okay, let's see what happens when you put in 11%. Maxes you out at 10. So the validation's still working. So we just updated the price of his system here. Okay, perfect. Look, this looks fine. I'm actually not going to spend any time here. I don't think we've ruined any functionality here. The only functionality that I had screwed up earlier was this pop-up here. So we fixed that, even further validated it. Now let's just look at some of the profits. Are the profits working? Looks like you can still drill down. I can't think of anything that could cause this to not work the way it's supposed to. Looks like you can still... So if you drill down and then remove, does it work? Yes. Let's see. This one's $1. Remove it. Works even when you're not drilled down. Does it update the profit immediately? So let's remove my $640 one. It does not update the profit immediately when you're managing it here. As part of an upgrade for a system, I may want to make this dynamic with Ajax. This is not a requirement right now. If he navigates away from this page and comes back, it will update. He does not need instant... See, look, it's lower. He does not need instant, let's see, what is this? This is from admin, total profits. Yeah, guys. He doesn't need to be able to have dynamic access to manage his profits. This is just to knock out nonsense accumulations, okay? And then so this is all validated then. So now what we want to do is just test the uploads here. So this is the title. This is supposed to be limited in cars. This is supposed to be limited in cars too. Something like 500. I do have a couple WebM files here, or just one to make available to myself. We can upload it here. Now, this failed. I want to debug this. I want to stop this from happening ever again. Now, this is weird behavior, okay? Because what happens is the first time I upload it, it fails on the thumbnail. That's what that error said. Then the second time when I do it, it works. Look, upload complete. So I'm going to give that in the prompt. I have a thing happening where when I upload video, the automatic thumbnail generation is failing. Okay, by the way, let's actually test that out. It seems to happen with the short video, the 5-second long one. And I know that when generating the thumbnail, it is algorithm to take off the first 5 and last 5%. I wonder if, even though it's percentage and it would still have a chunk of time, I wonder if it's not long enough and it's causing an error. So my move video is the same length. Let's test the move file and see if it gives the hang on, let's look. Yes, thumbnail generation. Okay, that's what it is. So here it is. I have a thing happening where I upload the video to the automatic thumbnail generation is failing. When it appears the video is too short or something, right? This video only 5 seconds long. Can you tell what is actually causing this failure? I wonder. I gave it the detailed error code there. AI is amazing. Because, and I know that's the case, and I don't want to do it right now, but when I upload a full-length video on the website, it doesn't have an error. The thumbnail generates just fine. All right, let's see what Claude said. Looking at the error message, I can help identify what's happening with the thumbnail generation for short videos. The issue appears to be related to how FFmpeg is trying to extract a frame from a very short video. Exactly, guys. Here's what we need to modify in the thumbnail generation process. I'll show the key changes needed. Modify the FFmpeg to ensure we get a frame even from short videos. Adjust error handling. So this is a very short line of code. Reroll thumbnail. Let's take a look. So I guess reroll thumbnail gets called whenever I upload a video. Use FFmpeg to generate thumbnail random timestamp. I'm not going to analyze this right now, but this is a more detailed. If the first attempt fails, try with the first frame in the video. Yeah, this looks like a very smart way to handle this. I wonder if it's completely compatible with FFmpeg. We're going to see how that works out here. I did only update reroll thumbnail. Is that not correct? Let's take a look. Okay. So this will be very short to test. Upload. Amazing. It's fixed. You guys, that's amazing. So I've actually already validated the crap out of this. Limited the cars. I've already done SQL injection prevention. And so, and you cannot choose other file types. Okay. Like what happens if I upload a PDF? Must be a WebM file. Says it in the top right. Gives you a breakdown of what happened. So I'm very happy with that. Now, let's move on to the monster. Let's get to the hard part. Manage MP4 videos. Now, you upload your video, you click manage video, you cannot click out of the modal. What is happening here? Okay. You cannot click off the modal. So one way to just easily fix this may be make it so there's a global click event handler that is not doing this, if that is what is happening here. And so, oh, there is more validation we have to do on uploading videos too. My bad. I need to see how the thumbnail insertion works. Yes. Well, it should just automatically just upload a thumbnail. So why is this happening? Well, let's look at a video here. This one says loading status. And I don't know why. Is it possible that it doesn't have a let's see, this is videos WebM enabled. There's only one that's enabled, and then this one can't grab the status. How could it possibly be that one doesn't grab the status when the rest of them load it just fine? Let's see. What about these other videos? This status is fine. What about these other videos? This status is enabled or disabled. So these statuses are working, but it appears that the statuses for the WebM videos are not working. Now, let's look at the WebM table here. It is right here. Let's actually debug the modal closing first. Let's tackle the monster. So, what is the name of this modal? And why would it have a click handler for outside of the modal when others don't, right? Because where else do I have a modal come up here, right? Nowhere. Oh my gosh, this is the only modal on the page. Okay. Wait, is it true that this is the only modal? Yes, it is. But it does have... No. Let's look. Oh. Could it possibly be? What if I open up the console while I'm doing this? What's it say? Cannot read properties of null. I do not see any console errors when trying to click on this element. Well, can we fix this with a prompt with Claude? I mean, could it be that simple? We could try. I mean, I've prompted it a bunch already, so Claude with modal where I can manage videos. When I open them, I cannot click out of the modal to close it. Is there a global event handler or listener, or is there a DOM value that is stopping me from working properly here? Let's pull up the CSS as well, pane style. I am going to grab myself some water, so let me pause. Well, the suggestion from Claude here says that it wants to drastically simplify the closed modal handling, which I'm all about. So, yes, please. And that's all it wanted to change. So, let's go back. Okay. All right. Check it out. Please work. No. No. Shoot, man. Wait, did I? Nope, that's all I updated was the... Okay, that didn't do anything. Oh, you know what we could do? Okay. We could just make it because it works when you save changes, right? Look at this. When you save changes, it closes, right? We could just remove the visual display of the X and then just force him to click save all every time because I cannot get the moto to click out. I mean, that's not a bad solution because I don't want to waste more time on this. Every single second I spend on this is less money I'm making. And what functionality does he lose, by the way? None. Okay, he can't click on an X here and close it out. He has to click save changes every time or delete the video. Let's try that. Look what happens. You delete it. Deletion in progress. Closes the modal. I mean, that's almost more secure. That's almost an upgrade, right? To make it so that he's not constantly like opening stuff and closing it out. So let's just, dude, hey God, I'm just removing it, okay? He has to click save all from now on. Okay, and then, or delete it. And I will figure out what is wrong. I think it's a DOM handler because I fixed a modal earlier using a DOM code. So this is cracking me up the more I think about this. My goodness, you guys. Okay. So all right, let's just remove it. Okay. Okay, I got it. I got it, Claude. Let's just remove the display of that little X in the modal, and they can keep using it the way they are. This is funny. This is what stepping away from it for a while does. You know, it gives you some perspective. By the way, I can see both sides of what I'm saying right now. The biggest argument against what I'm doing right now says you should figure out why you can't close the modal since you use them so much, okay? And I will later on. And I'll probably code later on so that I avoid making bad code that keeps me from closing a modal. It's probably doing what it's supposed to do, but I have something wrong with the architecture. And it is not affecting any of the actual functionality and validation that goes along with what is important on his site. So I wonder if just changing that little CSS there actually makes it so you can close the modal now. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Just that little line of code that I changed. What if that actually fixed it? But let's go back. Let's confirm that the little X on that modal is gone. Okay. And I do love modal, so it forces him to stay in a modal for longer. I like it. All right, look, there's no X now. And clicking off the modal doesn't exit out of it. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, so validation. We need to make sure that we cannot enter more than a certain number of characters. This is too many, is this not? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. His title cannot be this long. Okay. It does seem like it might be limited, actually. I'm not sure. Okay, that's unlimited. Okay. Well, let's look at the database structure real quick. What is the actual structure? The video data, hang on, the description, the title can only be 255, and the description, okay. Well, what about when they upload a video? What is the limitation then? Video description, 550, I'm looking at it right now. The title has a max length of 60. So 550 for the description, 60 for the title. Okay. Amazing. Okay, amazing. And when updating the title and description in the manage videos modal, the limit for the title does need to be 60 as well. Prevent SQL injection. Same for description. Except of course, description is 550. And then what we can do is we can actually just update the database structure here of the description to just be like 551, so that it's impossible for him to violate that. Oops. I got locked out of the database just now. Page.js, and then what's this? I'll help you remove the X button from the modal by updating. Okay, that's old. Here, I'll help you update the video modal to include proper input validation. This might affect functionality. I want to be careful. Apply. There is only one modal on the whole page, as we discussed. A connection failed. That is not good. Let us exit out of cursor. Restart cursor. I can't wait till we get to my new computer. It's going to be fresh install of Windows on amazing hardware. Whoa. Can't wait to get started. All right, close all. We're going to pull this up. The next computer is going to be great. Really super surprised at the parts I bought for it. Wait till I show you off my new computer, you guys. I am not using it right now. I just have the parts for it. Haven't built it yet. I actually don't have the processor waiting for it. What's this? So this is changing. Okay. This is changing all that. I notice here that it did not do SQL injection for the description. Hang on. It does not look like it did SQL injection for the description. Now, let's give our client that. Hang on, that's important. Did you do SQL injection prevention for the description? I want my client to have that. It's important to me that I don't make him a scammy website, right? And part of not having a scammy website is to make it so that people can't just go to your website and just look up your database. You know, you don't want your database to be public knowledge. Why? Because people use their emails and their phone numbers, their addresses, credit card numbers. I mean, all that stuff can get stored in a database, and often does, all over the world. So, when you have a site that does not have SQL injection prevention, if his admin dashboard gets hacked, they can do a few things, right? But if they can read his database and look at all the passwords and everybody's emails, people reuse passwords for their emails across multiple websites. So when you hack even just a scammy website, you know, maybe it's not important, you could maybe use those credentials to log in people's bank accounts and do whatever, you know? So it's important to me that when I sell the system to I have certain standards, right? Like there's certain things I don't care about, like a lot. There's certain things I do care about. Being guilty of handing over a scammy website is not. And my website where I sell computers looks scammy right now, but that's because it's under construction. Once it's done, it's going to look a lot better. I'm about to build my first computers and take pictures, and so it's going to look a lot better after I take pictures and fix the color scheme. And then once my website has the same level of security that I'm developing for my client here, it's something that's, you know, okay. And so we're going to go up here. I'm going to go JavaScript. Oh my lord, here we go. Whoa. Configuration, okay. We may be able to move very fast at certain points, okay? Let's see what's happening here. Okay, it's limited. Do you see how when I first loaded the page, it had values in there already? Now, this is obviously 550, so that's okay. Let's see how the thumbnail generation works. Now, I am curious. Let's enable this video, actually. Save all changes. And then let's consolidate our videos here. Let's delete some of these videos. Okay? Look at this. Deletion in progress. Look how nice that is when it deletes it. Okay, delete video. All right. Delete video. Okay. What's this other progress that's not moving? Progress? Why does the progress say 0% next to that? That's weird. Maybe that's for uploads. That is weird that it would say deletion progress 0%. Does it change at the end to 100? No, it does not. Okay. Now, I wonder why all of these were not enabled. So let's upload a move video. Desktop. Here's the move. Oh, thumbnail issue. Hang on. I thought we fixed that. And I had a thumbnail issue when uploading move file. I thought we fixed that. Oh, hang on. Let's review. The issue is that the FFmpeg is failing to generate a thumbnail for this move file because it's not getting any filtered frames. Let's modify the FFmpeg command to be more robust for move files. Okay. So this is okay. Where do I implement this code though? This code though, please help. Is it talking about pain.php? Reroll thumbnail. Oh. Reroll thumbnail for what? Oh, to process the upload thumbnail. I keep forgetting that the upload thumbnail processing is on the reroll. Maybe that's not the best name for this file. It should probably be called process thumbnail. Look at all of this. What is going on here? What is it removing? Look at all this. I'm not sure how much I like this. This is drastically different. It is removing the JSON, okay? No, it's just changing an operation it was doing with the JSON here. That was for debugging, I guess. Update database with new thumbnail path. Okay, that's all the same. Well, let's do it. Okay. And then we did just update a PHP file, so no need to refresh our cache and cookies. This is reroll thumbnail. Reroll. Okay. Now, I actually, no, it's okay. I just refreshed the page, and so normally this does trigger the error. Let's take it out. Okay, let's see if that triggers the error. Please don't. Okay, it didn't. That's good. It's almost like we're nearing the completion of this page, dude. My gosh. I do think I actually had to add more features. Let's... in fact, you know what, guys? We are not near the end of this. There is still some more validation we have to do with the thumbnails. I forgot. And we have to add a feature where you can upload his own thumbnail. Crap, I forgot about that. Okay. And then I need to make it so that when he deletes a video, it deletes the associated thumbnail properly. And that may take some time because I do have it so he can re-roll thumbnails. What if he assigns it, uploads one, and then re-rolls one afterwards? Is it supposed to delete the one he just uploaded? I mean, I need to do this, right? So let's hang on. We are just doing a test here. I did refresh the page, and we're looking for a thumbnail error. So the thumbnails errors are not happening. Now, are these enabled or not? it does not load the status. Why is that? Save all changes. Save all changes isn't working for the modal here. Hang on. Does delete video work? Yes, it does. Hang on. Let's see what's going on here. Did we actually somehow... No, we did not. Okay, there is some... I think I know what's keeping the modals from closing now. I think it might have something to do with JSON. I don't know, but I wonder. Okay, the save all changes is working here. I know Claude can debug this really quick. This is what Claude was born for. All right, the thumbnails are working. So whoa, hang on. Oh, the WebM is on the right-hand side, and the move is on the middle. Dude, why did I do this? This needs to be fixed in the PHP right now. Manage MP4 videos. Okay, here it is. We just need to put the MP4s in the middle. Well, what we actually need to do is put the WebM on top. And if we do that, MP4 will be in the middle. Okay, that's fixed that. Doesn't get much more simpler than that. Here's the move files I uploaded. Oh, well, I think something's happening here now. Hang on, let's see. Test, upload. Oh my god, it failed to generate the thumbnail again. Okay. All right, guys. Prompting Claude. We are 52 minutes in, taking a short break. All right, we're back. That was like a nice little micro break. Like 2 seconds. I actually about 2 minutes. I took a break for maybe 3 at the most. Just shows you that you know, even on my little breaks and whatever, I can't stop thinking about it. I just want to get back to it, you know. This is one of the reasons it's really good for me to take breaks, is because it just refreshes you. You know, it keeps you wanting to do it, right? Damn, I'm still getting the thumbnail error. Can I manage them here? No. Not uploading properly. It's saying it might have something to do with the fact that it's not actually an MP4. It's not actually a WebM file. It's an MP4. That's what I did. I saved an MP4 file as a WebM. How the hell did AI figure that out? I guess the error code was detailed enough for it to infer that. That's amazing. It just put in case handling for different file type associations. I think this is going to fix it. Wow. That's impressive. Let's try that. I wonder. Yeah. No, that's... let me just talk to Claude real quick. Hang on. This Claude, that's literally what I did. What? Wait, no, that is not what I did, is it? Hang on. That is what I did. Let's actually get download 5-second WebM video. Let's actually get a real WebM video. Sample WebM files download. Filesdownload.com. What? What am I downloading right now? Download sample file WebM video. My gosh, what could I be downloading, you guys? Oh, this looks harmless. Beautiful even. Desktop, Earth. I would love to be able to test with this file, actually. This is much better than I was imagining there for a second, you guys. Let's put it on the desktop here. Now, the other one that we need is a move file. This looks cool. Download. No, it's MP4. No. No. 5-second vid easy. Man, I mean, these websites, their names are scammy. You almost don't want to go to it, right? Like, who chooses the names like these, right? This looks pretty. Is it a move file? Please be a move file. I don't want to log in here. VLC, no. MP4, no. Move file, come on. Move file. Let's be more specific with Google. Sample move files. Here we go. Here's a move from the same wonderful files.com, filesexamples.com. All right, beautiful test. I don't know what I just downloaded, though. This is going to be... Wait, whoa. What did I just download? Hang on, go back. It says it's a move file, right? Then when I download it, what does it say? Oh, it says it's a move. Okay. Test. Super test. Super test. Okay. Now, let's go back to our website and see what it's like when our client actually uploads legit files. Okay, let's try that. Instead of just renaming an MP4 as whatever. So let's delete this test video. Here's an Earth WebM file. That's the one I found. Does it have the... It does not. Oh my gosh, you guys, it did not have the thumbnail issue. Okay. I wonder. Let's navigate away, because this normally just happens when I refresh the page and do it for the first time for some reason. I don't know why that error would be like that. There it is. Wonderful. Okay. And by the way, I've noticed that this error with the thumbnail thing, if you do it more than once, it doesn't do it. Like if he ever did have the thumbnail error, for some reason, it would still work if he tried multiple times. I'm not sure why that's the case. No thumbnail error. Guys, this is amazing. Okay. And it's already validated. Now, we just have to manage the thumbnails. Oh, I bet you this is working now. Is this... No, the status isn't loading. What is going on? Okay. We did update our... And the modal won't close even when clicking Save Changes. Now, to fix that, let's just prompt chat, or Claude again. We haven't even used ChatGPT today. Claude, for some reason, very specific, the manage... Which kind of videos is these? Well, we do have the new pane file. Let's actually upload pane. I know we're kind of breaking up what we're trying to get done, but we're doing a couple of things in tandem for a reason here. We do want to upload pane because it's more organized, can help with the process here. Let's take a look. Here it is. Web MP4 move. Okay. So what is having the issues? Is it the WebMs? Yes, it is. Okay. The managed WebM videos, there seems to be an issue with the data being captured, since it's the only video file type that when loading status just stays stuck as loading, and also can't close the modal. So I think the reason the modal can't close has to do with improper, maybe JSON or some other data process management function. Being a little specific here, may be wise to not do that with Claude. No, I mean, guys, this is a massive update, whatever it's doing. What we want to do here is we want to make a backup. So we're going to do that right now. I think everybody who watches this playlist is like cheering right now. Like, yay, Fit made it backup. Seriously. Hilarious. Wow, what an update, y'all. Can you see what it's trying to update here? My gosh. So much. Then fetch the actual status. Well, we're going to apply the changes. We're going to test it and see exactly what percentage of the website no longer works. Is it 80%? Is it 90%? Oh, going back to the JavaScript. Okay, when it manage WebMs, does it load? Does not load. Okay, so none of the changes it just made in the JavaScript fixed anything. By the way, does it work now with the other videos? It does for some reason. Manage move files. It does work for the other file types. It's interesting that it only doesn't work for these ones. Are they in the database? I mean, they must be because I'm reading them, right? It's displaying the videos. This is for what type again? WebM, okay. Is the thumbnail that it's generating actually there? Let's look. Look how many thumbnails I have. I wish I could make, guys, you know how to change the width of the columns here? It's so annoying. Okay. Oh, is it this? No. Doesn't seem like it. I think you have to hold the mouse in like a very special place. Like very special. Nah. I don't know. I was doing it earlier, but okay. So you know, we do have these files we uploaded. By the way, it seems to be managing the video files properly. All right, let's just go back here. Pane. Is it possible that there is different column names on this table? Does it possibly have a different structure? Well, no, it does not. Well, no, still not working. So I'm going to revert these changes then. I'm glad I made it back up here. All right. So I reverted changes back to before. So the other two file types are working. Can you just see what we are doing different here? Oh, what did I just prompt it with? Oops, I gave it a million lines of code for some reason. Oops, I gave it the JavaScript. I gave it the whole JavaScript. Okay, maybe that's actually a good thing. Let's also modify the show video modal function to handle WebM files better. Let's try that. I think it's I think what's happening here is maybe we're going on a wild goose chase and not actually working on what's wrong. Totally possible here. There is something wrong with my site right now with the modal code. We are not handling modals completely properly. It's a little dirty, but it doesn't affect any of my standards, right? It's not my standard to have all the code literally perfect for almost no reason, right? If it doesn't affect my functionality and if I can keep it from doing that, then I will proceed here. So this is, oh, hang on. Now it wants to delete the video. That's an improvement. Does it generate new thumbnails for it? Oh my God, the thumbnail generation is no longer working. Now it's clicking out of the modal. Hang on, how is that possible? Now we can click out of the modals? What on earth? So now we can click the X mark on the modals. Okay, guys. See, we worked on something else and invariably fixed this other thing without even... Now none of the statuses are loading. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's interesting. So since that happened just now, okay, hang on. My gosh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cursor. Hang on. All right. Let's just re-back up our solution here. Okay. I want to see if I can reapply the changes. Wow. Won't let me do it. Okay. So when we need to handle the JavaScript differently here because we can properly delete and change status for MP4 and move, but not WebM when managing in modal. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to say this to the AI systems. Let's see. Looking at the code, I noticed that the video management function needs to be adjusted to handle them differently. I don't like this. Okay, is the thumbnail generation working? My God, hang on. Do we need to update our JavaScript on the website again real quick? Hang on. Let's go back here. Let's just see if the thumbnail generation is no longer working. That would suck so much because it worked perfectly before. Just had to do some database management and make it delete it whenever it was doing it, but it was working before. Let's see now. Status disabled. Okay, can I generate a new thumbnail? We'll just make it so that it replaces the new reroll with the current one and deletes the old one from the database. That's not beyond salvaging. You like all my little workarounds to save myself time and not sacrifice certain things? All right, hang on. This is doing this. All right, so let's apply these changes. Hopefully Claude can do changes right now. I don't even know, man. I mean, it's removing so many functions that it's not supposed to. Just really acting up. This is not good. It's funny how I'm getting such wild results right now. Hang on, cursor. I wonder if restarting my computer would fix this. I don't know. Claude or cursor is just not having a good time right now. Let's try. And modifying them the same exact way in the modal. Even the tables all have the same structure. I don't know. I don't know. Including thumbnail. Let's modify show thumbnail modal function to treat all video types equally. Let's see if it understood what I was saying. This is a very small amount of changes. This makes me actually really hopeful that we might have found something. Let's see. Is it possible? Now it's not bringing up the modal. Now it's not bringing up any modals. Nope. Okay. I'm like, nope, that made it so no modals will open. Okay. It's applying other changes. Let's see. What's here? I don't know. I mean, it's really not changing much. Current video ID replacing with video ID. I wonder if that fixes it. Let's try. Let's try fixing our JavaScript. All right. Manage video. Still not loading. I mean, can't we just have the AI help us debug this? Like, shouldn't this be really straightforward? I mean, especially since it works for other files. Okay. This should easily work. Okay. I'm just like pleading with Claude. I'm like, look, this is literally the same exact thing. Okay, same table, same everything. I can see the video. I can see the thumbnail. Is the video in the database? That's a good question. I wonder if that's what's happening here. Hang on. Videos MP4. Here's the path to the move file. Is the move file actually in that path? Videos. Move. It says it's 8696 is the first four. I don't see it. Guys, that's what's happening. It's not inserting the video into the database. And then guess what? If I remove all these, I bet you I can... Wait, hang on. This is the wrong type of file. I'm looking for WebM. Here it is, 8696. Okay. So here is the 8696. Okay, there's one. Okay, so that's actually not the problem. Damn. I was really hoping that was the issue here. All right, let's apply our changes here. It is starting to debug. So maybe the console is going to be logging here. Yes, it's logging with the console. So we'll be able to view that in our web browser then. Really happy I made that back of the JavaScript, whatever passed through my mind. Like I said, I have been watching some of my software development videos, so I watch sometimes and I'm like, well, you could do this better, this better. Definitely making a backup when I have significant progress. Need to do that more often. And it just takes 2 seconds. Like you just copy and paste, literally. Okay, well, we're going to roll out these changes here. And let's see what effect that has. JavaScript, boom, boom. Here's the Java. Then we can delete, 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 delete. I think the data handling for the modals might be a little tricky. If this goes on for much longer, I might have to take a look at how it works. Nope. The status is the only thing that's not loading. How could that possibly be? How could it load the thumbnail? How could it load the title and the description? How could it possibly be? It load title, description, everything else but the status. How could it possibly be, Claude? How could it possibly be every variable? The modal's loading everything but the status, which... let's modify the status fetching part of the code. Okay, look, let's go look at the console too, right? Because we had implemented the console debugging. Cannot read properties of null. That's all it says. What about when I click save all? Videos, error, table, cuters, videos, WebM doesn't exist. My God, dude. That's why, is because it's the capitalization of the table in the database. That's all it is. I'm glad it's so easy to fix, but did take me a minute. If I had asked it to debug earlier, then it could have saved me some time, right? Match case, WebM, hang on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Videos, WebM. Oh, hang on. Videos.webm. Why is that not coming up in any of my searches? Is it because it's not searching the whole directory? That must be it. This is my pain file. Pain. Videos.webm. Wait, where is this? It's in the JavaScript? Oh. Okay, apparently it is not in the JavaScript. Now, how would it be possible? Wait a second. Is it because the update I just did removed that? Let's see. Wait, hang on. If that's the only problem, then that means I could just restore this copy that I have of the backup, search for WebM, and it's still not showing up. Hang on. How is this possible? It says here pain.js line. It says in the console that the table videos WebM doesn't exist, and that's the error, is the capitalization, right? says WebM capitalized. It doesn't have all caps letters. Save at doesn't exist at save video changes. Save video changes? What about the word videos? Where is that at? Oh, is it because it's referencing another file? I bet you anything it's because it's referencing the oh, what is happening? It's the reroll thumbnail table. Wait, hang on. Okay, that's not working. WebM. All right, here it is, right here. Now, what if we match case? Match case. No results found. Guys, I'm officially confused. How is this happening right now? Doesn't it make sense that, like, since you're seeing it in the console, you would be able to find it here? Here's one. Tables WebM. Well, hang on. Let's just prompt Claude. Let's just use the AI. Delete video, reroll the JavaScript and pane. Okay. I am getting an error that it is because it thinks the table name is WebM in console, but I can't find it anywhere in code. The table's name, of course, is videos WebM. Don't know why I decided to capitalize it that way. Capitalization is why it not showing. How would it be possible that it's because of the capitalization that just one variable is not showing? What? In the code, it's trying to use it's in the JavaScript. It says okay. Apply changes. Oh my god. Okay. Let's try that. Nope. Didn't fix it. How's that possible? Huh. Open up the console. Console. Save all changes. Says the same thing. It says same error. Just for the videos WebM. So weird. I can't find it in the code. What is going on here? It's when perhaps it's when I use update video status. Where is it getting the table name? Is it because of this file? What is this? Update video status. Is it because this file? Update video. I think I found it. I think it's because of this. Is it because of this file? Yes. Oh, it's the reroll. Just explicitly. Okay, here we go. It's doing the reroll thumbnail. Okay, here we go. This might be it. I wonder if this is going to make it so you can close the modal again, too. I wonder. Well, it's talking about the thumbnail path. Look at this SQL, okay? What's it trying to update here? I understand all this, right? But what is this trying to do? Right. Update videos. Okay. Now it's just saying update. Oh, this was wrong before. This is just completely wrong before, right? Thumbnail path, video ID. Update videos. Yeah, this, I don't even have a table called videos. So this may have been causing some issues here. Let's roll this out. Reroll thumbnail. Did we change any JavaScript? I think we did. Reroll. Did we change any JavaScript? Let's see. Okay. Going back in. Bum, 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 bum. Manage. Cannot see it still. Still the same error, I bet. Save all changes. Nope, it's still giving the same error. Maybe update video status. Nope. Nope, still same error here. It's using an all caps version of WebM. I can see in console. Interesting. We're going to take a short break, come back to this, making progress. Okay, guys, here we go. We're narrowing it down. Update video status. Update video stats. Update video status. Okay, we made a map of the tables here. I bet you anything this will finally fix it. It's just uploading this static PHP file, or this PHP file. So Update video status. Let's just refresh this. Manage. Not working still, by the way. Still has the same error. How's that possible? Did we upload in the right place? Yes. Is it possible I need to refresh my cache and cookies since it's a referenced file? I don't think so. I think it would re-execute, right? So console's still saying the same thing, which is actually kind of a good thing because I think we can fix this error. My gosh. What file is doing this? Reroll. Is it the reroll? Is it the delete video? Is it the well, let's not update delete video. Same error. How are we mapping a table here incorrectly? Can you find it? Update video.php. I didn't even know that I had that. I didn't even know that I had an update video PHP. Man, I should keep a list of all the files I'm using to process these videos in the modal. My gosh. Okay, it mapped the tables in this file too, guys. Update video. This fixes it, guys. Now, I would bet actually $100 that this fixes it right now. All right, I owe you guys $100. Let's see. Oh, hang on. What happened there? Okay, guys, $50. Can we compromise? Because now it's saving the changes. Okay. Okay. Save changes. Okay. I forgot you're like forced to. Okay, so that's an increase in functionality. Let's see what happens when you try to click this. Okay, hang on. Now let's reroll thumbnail. Update video status. Delete video. Pane JavaScript. Okay. Okay, amazing. Now, when clicking the little button for video status, that's the only thing not working now. Can you put a console logging? Uncaught type error. Cannot read properties of null in the pane JavaScript. Is it possible that that is what's happening? Let's see if the same error comes up when we manage other videos. The same error does come up, so we're going to ignore that from now. Pane.js. Okay, it wants to update the JavaScript here. Let's make sure the changes are appropriate. Here it is, just more detailed. Console logging. Probably should make a backup since we increased our functionality, right? I mean, seriously. But let's just make sure this didn't ruin any. And then maybe we will make a backup here, since we're now able to save our changes. Manage. Still not working. Not showing anything in the console. Oh, we didn't refresh our cache and cookies. Okay. Let's try that one more time. Manage. Please work. It's not working. Didn't expect it to since we're just debugging. Console. Not doing anything. Okay, and literally only functionality. Can I delete the video? I bet I can. Okay, save. Okay. Is it possible that now that I fixed some of the logic, if I upload a new one, that the status will actually work? Let's just try that. It's possible that we fix a process here. Okay, no thumbnail error. Love it. Can manage right away, and the status doesn't load. Okay. Console. I got excited for a second. I did see 3 errors, but okay. Not working now is the status for WebM. And when trying to test button that currently says loading for some reason, there's no console activity. Can you understand what's happening here? I will include a screenshot of what's happening. The status button is stuck in loading state, not triggering any events. This likely means the initial status fetch isn't completing properly for WebM. I wonder why though. Like we're literally just trying to get one column, right? You know what else I'm starting to notice now is that this thumbnail is constantly loading. That's not right. That's not what the other thumbnails do. Look. I thought it was just part of the video at first. No, it's not. This is, look at the thumbnail. It just has constantly a spinning circle in the middle. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. Oh, wait. When I'm backed up, it's loading. Yeah, see, it's in the middle. When I zoom in, it goes away. Okay. So there's a backend error, obviously. Do need to get this JavaScript online. It must be an issue with the JavaScript is what I'm thinking. Manage. Not working. Can I make anything happen in the console? Oh, it's grabbing from the wrong table again. I can see it. Look. Oh my gosh, I can see it. It has incorrect table mapping again somewhere. Can you help? It look, it's the WebM capitalized again. Videos WebM all capital. Ah! Sometimes AI just wouldn't it be just better just to rename my database table to WebM? Like all capital. Why didn't I just do that, guys? Okay, here we go. Now it's mapping it in the JavaScript. I bet you that's what we had to do this whole time. All right, guys, you ready for that $100 bet again? That the status is finally going to load. Manage. No! This is awful. Yep, it still says the same thing. Still says same error. Wrong file. Association. Wrong mapping. What's happening here? See how it's all capital? See how it's all capitalized? Please analyze all files I'm referencing. I am asking the AI to analyze like 5,000 lines of code at a time, right? Open view, Explorer. Okay, what it's doing is somewhere in the code, it's saying the name of the table is the file type and append that to the end of videos somewhere. So let's look for videos dot. What if we just look for videos dot? Let's see. Okay, here it is. Type right here. Is this doing it? Okay, and that's in the copy. Hang on. Get videos.php. Get videos. Let's just debug this. Get videos. Is one of these doing it where it's like get videos p and then it references the type and says the name of the table in the database is actually appending type because that must be what's happening somewhere. It's appending the type thinking it's the name of the table. Let's just ask it. I think that's what's happening, guys. I want to win that $100 bet. Get video status.php. My God, it's still in get video status. Get video status. Apply. Yes, yes, yes. The key fix is replacing the tables. So we just updated a PHP file. Let's properly upload that to our file system on Bluehost. Get video status. Where's it at? Get video status. I'm excited, guys. I really think this is fixing it now. I mean, I got 200. Wait, double or nothing, right? $400. You guys ready? Moment of truth. Bum, bum, bum. It fixed it. I wonder how high it would have gone, right? 400, 800, 1600, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1040 or 1024, 248 or 2048, 4096, 9012. I don't know, guys. I lost track. But nah. So far off. I actually want to keep going, but that fixed it. Okay, amazing. I mean, I can't even describe how much better I feel. Let's see, save changes, and it disappeared. Hooray! Let's see, and we haven't lost any functionality anywhere else. Hooray! Okay, now what we need to do, we just need to make it so when it generates the thumbnail, deletes the old one associated, and then replaces the new one in the modal. Easy. So let's do reroll thumbnail. We need to update video and reference the JavaScript. Okay, amazing. Now, when we reroll the thumbnail, it does need to delete the old thumbnail from the path automatically and update the reference of course, and then preview the new thumbnail in the modal where the old one was. It should just get replaced after a brief little transition animation. Can you make that happen very simply without affecting any existing functionality, please. Actually, guys, we have gone this far. Let's definitely make a backup here. We should perhaps today being 2 days before I'm trying to hand over the system, not ready, but let's save here, close out a cursor so we don't get any like conflicts. Let's send it to a zip folder. I was just making sure in my mind, is that going to grab all of his files? And it sure will. We'll be fine. I'm sorry, I'm on another monitor. Am I? Oh, wait, you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I was covered up a little bit. Okay, here it is. We're going to Zazzer. Okay. Rename SirM backup for the 12 10 12 10 2024. So PHP client system backups, there it goes. All right. We are now an hour and 46 minutes in. Haven't completed the admin dashboard yet. Still have a lot of functionality to complete down here at the bottom when we manage our videos. Do need to make it so that he can upload his own custom thumbnail. I'm going to add a little bit more functionality. I'm going to make it so that when he does that, you know, it does delete the other associations so he doesn't stack up a bunch of files. It's going to be properly managed. This should not take a lot of time. I always say that about my features, but this should not take a lot of time. I'm sure it will explode a little bit, but we're just getting started here. It's 11:10 p.m. my time. And, you know, I do plan on going past midnight. So let's shoot for at least another hour of development. Here we go. Okay, we're back. That was another 3 or 4 minute break. I don't know. Okay. So what we need to do now is just actually kind of start over fresh. So let me bring up my browser here. We do have all of our uploads going here. So let's actually just delete all these. What are these previews? I didn't know it was making previews. So I don't screw anything up, I'm gonna just actually. Does it work when I enable? Yes, it does. Okay, good. I didn't test that earlier. This feels really good, by the way. Like, navigating his website feels really good. Proud of this. To be able to deliver a system like this to a client for my first, you know, system I'm selling to somebody. Well, second, actually. First system I sold, I didn't get paid very much. And I worked on it an absurd amount of time. All by hand, no AI. The first system I ever built, did sell it. But it took me about 8 months working on it every day for hours, every day, researching, constantly learning how to do stuff, coding it by hand. I mean, it was a good experience, and it put a lot of experience under my belt so I can do things like this now. But it was grueling, especially for the amount of pay that I got, which was just a few $100s. I maybe made like 25 cents an hour after everything was accounted for, or 10 cents an hour, something like that, guys. I don't know. So they are all deleted now. Now, let's see if all the previews are gone. They're not. Let's delete all this. Let's make sure that all our videos are gone. So at least video management is working properly. We just need to incorporate thumbnail management now. That's not that hard. So let's just test our beautiful functionality here. Manage. Oh my god. Freaking works, dude. Also, thumbnail is no longer loading. Okay, now generate new thumbnail. Okay. Now, what happened just now? Did I actually make a thumbnail? Wait, hang on. It should maybe even have two thumbnails. One for the... Here it is right here. Does that mean when I generate a thumbnail, it is not inserting it into the database? Whoa, hang on. Whoa. Need to bring you over to the browser so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. So when I click generate, it's not making one. I think it's because it's asking for me to authorize it afterwards. So I do have this prompt here in chat and Claude. Amazing. Now when we roll, it needs to delete the old thumbnail from the path automatically and update the reference of course, and then preview the new thumbnail in the modal where the old one was. It should just get replaced after a brief little transition animation. Can you make that happen very simply without affecting any existing functionality, please? So what does that do? That generates a new thumbnail, automatically uses the new one. You have to click save changes or delete the video afterwards. So that would mean that you keep it. This seems like a valid prompt, right? You can't just make a bazillion thumbnails. Each time you do it, it deletes the old one. This should account for proper thumbnail management. We are asking it to look at 5,000 lines of code, something like that. You know, that's giving us problems. You know, the system does get so large. Oh, you know, I want to format this for mobile device too, guys. This is gonna take forever. It's gonna take forever. I'm gonna bust open some music. I have this playlist I really like right now. I think it does get linked below in my videos.
Video creator? Go to artlist.io and get 10% off the Max plan. Save on everything you need.
Okay. So we updated JavaScript and the reroll thumbnail. Let's complete that. Earth, right? What's happening here though? Is it actually making new ones? Let's check. I don't see any thumbnails. Wait, hang on. Is it still gonna have a thumbnail now? Yeah. So when I generate the new thumbnail, it's removing it, but I don't see a new one.
Vou deixar sua bunda ardendo. Vou dar tapa, 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 tapa pra cara. Tapa, 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 tapa. Deixa sua bunda ardendo. Tapa, 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 tapa. Deixa sua bunda ardendo. Toma sua safada, fica sua safada, vai. Toma sua safada, fica sua safada, vai, vai. Vem sentando pro pai, pai. Vem sentando pro pai. Vem sentando pro pai, pai. Vem sentando pro pai. Eu tentei bater de frente, 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 de frente. Esse aqui só agressivo, deixa sua bunda ardendo.
All right, I wonder. What do you guys think? Do you think that fixed it? Let's see. All right, we managing it. There's no thumbnail. We can generate one. What if we manage it? Is there a thumbnail now? No, there's not. What about in the pathing? Nope. Thumbnails. There is nothing. Well, actually, let's test this properly because it may have something to do with the fact that it doesn't already have a thumbnail. Let's see. All right, at least that's still working. Generate new thumbnail. Let's see what's happening. Hang on. We do have to check the path. There's no thumbnail. Now, how is that possible? Okay, I see what's happening. It's the same behavior as before, right? Yep. Okay, now I have an idea. What if we upload a new file, generate the thumbnail for it, and then when we manage it, when we generate the thumbnail, what if we click Save Changes? Does that work? Let's see if the thumbnail's in the... What do you guys think? Do you think I have one? No, I don't. Okay, so... Okay. In not putting new one in DB or preview, in path or preview, it just removing, not generating thumbnail with FFmpeg anymore. What happening? Very sad when you have it working before. Yep, it didn't have FFmpeg execution anymore. Wow. Yep. Interesting. Let's try applying it. It did say it had an error just now. Let's see. Here's the command for the execute. Let's see if this actually works. Reroll. Up one. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope. Up one. Okay, we only updated PHP, so can we reroll a thumbnail? Is it in the pathing? Nope. Alright, let's delete the video. We can reload the page, upload a new video, test it from the beginning. Upload. Okay, now when we manage it, there is a thumbnail. When we enable it, it's enabled. When we generate a new thumbnail, just loses it, I bet. Just loses it. Yep. Still same behavior. Detailed logging to see exactly where the process is failing. Here's the modified version. Would be nice to have a pop-up on the top right with all my debug information. Let's look at the path of the upload videos. Here's the video. Where's the path of the thumbnails? Hang on, generate thumbnail path. This is what's going on, guys. There is no thumbnail path for the video type. Hang on. I think I found it. Is it possible this is the issue, since all the thumbnails just sit in the
But did you know there's a YouTube music app where you can discover new music
this
way? Yes.
folder
Get YouTube Music Premium.
without categorizations or folders further? I bet you $10 that's the problem. Ah, yes, that's likely the issue. Let's fix the path to match your actual service structure. I wonder. Boop, boop, boop. Why does it still have this here, though? Oh, it's just naming the file. Okay, hang on. What was happening before? It was just going to uploads, videos, and then it was going to the video path. Okay, there it goes. And then it generates the thumbnail. Hang on. What was happening here before, though? Also update the video path. What was happening before? The thumbnail. Okay, so it was calling the thumbnail the name of the video type and the ID. So I don't think this may actually be the issue. I'm not sure. It is being very specific. Look how it's doing it all the way down the whole file path. I wonder if this fixes it. I kind of doubt it, actually, guys. Let's check it. I doubt this works, but I'm gonna have to check. Well, Pain style. Can you give me detailed error pop-up on screen, please? Makes super simple but detailed for re-rolling thumbnail button, please. This should have been really easy to fix. I think that these changes on the pathing might actually screw it up too. Let's see if actually, hang on, let's do a little bit of testing here. Delete. Okay, we're uploading a video. Upload. Amazing, it worked. Now we can manage it. Does have the thumbnail. Now when managing it, it's gone. Okay. Let's go back here. Pain.js. We are debugging this. I didn't delete it. Okay. So what did we update here? We updated our JavaScript. I love that it's working. It's really nice when you have old functionality fixed. Hey, video file not found. Possible cause is video file corruptor missing. That's what's happening. Amazing. Okay. Reroll. Pain. Amazing. This is what's happening. We have issue with processing here. I think actually changing the path in reroll was a mistake here. I think it needs to have without the precursors. Maybe like before. Before was better. Okay, I think that the updates we did to reroll thumbnail were actually pretty bad. So we're gonna go back to the old pathing, and then we'll just test that one more time. Hang on. I wonder what the debug is gonna say when we run this. What's the old path again? Hang on. Uploads thumbnails. Yeah. That's it. Okay, so then go back to the PHP. This is reroll. Okay. Manage. Generate. Still says same thing. Let's try this. Hang on. We'll just delete the file. We'll try this. I like starting from the beginning. Okay. Manage it. Generate new thumbnail. Okay, and just to confirm, we did upload in the right directory here. Yeah. Okay, so reroll thumbnails updated. Still same error code. Okay, now it wants to update some more debugging, logging. This should be the fastest way to fix this. It's getting the wrong path information for the video. How? I mean, I can look at the video in the database, right? Oopsies. I can look at it in the files here. Here it is right here. This is a move. Oh. WebM? Yeah, here it is right here. Reroll, we're updating this. Whoa. Okay, this is... Look at all the functionality it wants to remove. I wonder if it would be faster just to delete this entire file and redo it. So my first question is, how is it possible it could still do what it needs to do without the names of the tables? Right? Okay. I'm looking at all of those changes and you're removing the table associations completely. What are you doing? Denied. Oh, what did I just do? Did I authorize changes there with my keyboard on accident? Dude. I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know if I even have the same re-roll file that I had before. Let's just... Okay. Claude's working with me because I am giving it just one small file of only 174 lines of code. It can easily spit that out. I wonder if it has the... Well, it says it doesn't have the correct file for the file path for the video. So that's what's happening. It's probably this stuff. Like, the name of the video is probably not this code, right? Okay? So let's actually compare the upload videos code. Let's do that. Where's the upload videos code? Upload videos. Upload videos. Let's try that. We'll reference Pain and JavaScript. Pain and JavaScript. Okay. Okay, I have a question. Is it because you think the path of the videos, their name is like this concatenated type plus video ID, and it's not? Can you look at the upload protocols to see if we are actually matching here? The name of the file in the uploads folder right now is this. Alright, taking a short break. Be right back. Couple seconds. Okay, guys, that was exactly what was wrong. My god. So now it wants to update reroll thumbnail. So we'll just deny all these changes, right? Because these are the old ones. Okay, and then we can just apply these changes. Okay. We can save. Now we're just updating reroll thumbnail. Check. Okay. Reroll thumbnail. SRM, Apex, PHP, reroll. There we go. Alright. Check it out. Will it work? At least we got a different error. Let's try the good old fresh video idea, right? Let's try this. Choose desktop. Found my little video here. Okay, now we can manage it. Generate new thumbnail. Alright. Yeah, this is the correct path. Okay? Now it's just removing a lot of the debugging, I think. Okay, let's try this, guys. FFmpeg, we are uploading our reroll thumbnail. Yay. Alright, let's try it. Ah! Yes! Awesome! Hooray! Hooray! Full functionality! Even with SQL stripping. Love it! Is it still enabled? It is still enabled. I love it, you guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now we just have to track how the thumbnails work, right? So let's just delete this video and then just track it step by step. So all we have to do is let's just clean up our life real quick. Hang on. We can move on to the next feature. This is awesome. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to verify that we don't have any videos. Okay. This has already been done before, but we can check. We don't have any thumbnails. Okay, amazing. Now, we're obviously going to have a new video here. What happens if you upload multiple videos at once? Hang on, let's test that. I haven't even tested that. What happens if I upload this video and then I upload another one? Did it just override the one I was uploading? That's not bad, actually. Oh, wait, it still has the old upload. Ooh, it's uploading 2 files at once. Okay, and then I bet you I can manage the one I already uploaded. Okay, and I can't manage the one that's uploaded. Dude, this is really cool. And so now... Okay, the circle is not turning green when it's enabled. Okay, let's just verify in the database this is enabled now. Okay, all these are empty. And I'm enabling this, this is a move video, right? Or WebM. Which one is it? It's WebM. Yep. Okay. Now, with this one, is it turning green when it's enabled? Disabled. Oh. Interesting. Probably want to make it turn green when it's proper, right? So, let's just... it might have to do with JavaScript and the CSS. So we're going to just reference both of those. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now, when enabled, video should have green circle. And when disabled, it should be red. Right now, it's just staying random colors. Can you tell why? Let's check the status indicator styling and update logic. We need to ensure the circle color properly, blah, blah, blah. So apparently it updated some JavaScript earlier that affected that. I wonder. Okay, I just implemented all the changes because apparently the ones that I did were not all of them. All right, let's get back to the brass tacks here. SRM. We're updating the JavaScript, of course. Okay, configuration. Okay, now what? Oh, this should change. Nice. Nice. Okay, so save. What happens about this one? Disabled. Enabled. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, we're done. Okay, I love how it's debugging down here at the bottom. That's actually okay. I'll leave that for production. He can have that, okay? If there's ever any problems, it will show at the bottom as well. That's okay. It's really for me, not him. But, if there's ever an error, I can go in his system without doing any updates and just look at what happened. So that's okay. This is perfect. Okay, so now we need to make it so that, oh, we need to track the changes of the thumbnails. Okay, hang on. Uploads. Thumbnails should be 2. Okay, what happens here? Guys, ready? Manage. Let's look at the old name of it. Let's take a screenshot of this. Let's just do this real quick. Generate. Go back here. Refresh. And then compare. Guys, it still has the same name. Okay, but the timestamp might change. Let's check the timestamp. Okay, let's reload this file path. Uploads, thumbnails. Timestamp changed. It's a new file. Look. Same name, different file. What we can do is we can test that the random generation is still working by uploading the significantly long video and then generating a few random thumbnails. Let's do that to clarify the rest of the functionality, and then we will actually move on. So let's grab the full-length video. May have to pause it here. This is probably going to take... how long does it give you an estimated time? Maybe I should add an estimated time to the breakdown in the top right. But just by looking at the progress bar, you can estimate your own time. That's okay. I'm not getting carried away here. I don't need to just give him all the features in the world. There's no reason for that. I mean, it's like giving a 10-year-old the best computer on Earth. Doesn't make sense. They don't even know the difference. If you give them an amazing system that's simple, if you just keep adding complexity just for complexity's sake, you know, oh, they might like this, oh, they might like this, oh, they might like this. I mean, that's like giving somebody for Christmas billions of dollars worth of gifts. They won't even know what gift they like the most anymore. They will probably just end up hating all the gifts because they have too much stuff. And I'm also balancing the idea of making $5 an hour, okay? Because that's a real risk I have. If I get caught up with scope creep and validating 1,000 new features, dude, I'm purposely making myself a slave. Like, just an indentured servant. So, I'm not interested in doing that. Okay. Everything is working really good. I almost want to do another backup. No reason not to, guys. No reason not to. While this is uploading, I'm going to actually initiate another backup. This is the wise thing to do. Oh, I do need to make it so that you can see how much space he's using too, because I have a limited amount of data that he can use. I also need to limit him too. I need to make it so he can't upload more than a certain amount. Because he's using my database for his system. For free, actually. Not even charging him. And he's going to be using like all my database with all his videos. This is 12/10/2024 backup 2 after bottom validation working great. Take this on over to the Zazzer. I will show you guys my file operations here. We are going to just drop that into our client's backups, and then we can reload cursor. The upload is complete. Now, what we want to test is that if we actually get a random thumbnail. Huh. Interesting. It seems to have an issue with the thumbnail. Okay, good thing we're debugging this. Okay, because for the small files, it's for doing the thumbnail fine. Now, it's happening to a larger file that this isn't working properly, right? It's a little peculiar. It's almost like the code that we did earlier to make it so the short files work, the short videos work, affected the long ones. Can't imagine why, but let's see if we can get a good response here. Oh. Okay, we just updated reroll thumbnail again. That's a very popular file right now. Okay, manage. What are we trying to test? Oh, yeah. Well, let's test the... Okay, thumbnail generation still works on the short videos. Let's see. Is it random, though? Does look random. Let's do it again. Looks like the same part of the video. Let's see. No, it looks like the same part. No, it is random. It's just that this video doesn't have much variation here. Now he's back in this photo. Is there a way to make it more random? This doesn't seem random enough. Okay, hang on. It doesn't seem random enough. Can you grab from different percentage of the video? Maybe when I reroll with a nice algo? Okay. You know how much thought and effort is going into the code that's coming out of Claude right now? Like, this is beautiful. Like, the government's gonna come in and shut this down. They're about to kick in my door right now. Bam! I'm ready, though. I'm fit. Okay, let's try that. Manage. We're re-rolling the long video. Amazing! Better results, by the way. You know, and if he gets like really famous doing this, he doesn't even have to upload custom thumbnails. They just want to see his face, right? And so now under generate, there should be upload your own thumbnail. And what it does is, of course, replace the current thumbnail and delete the old one from the database. Such an easy prompt. Got it. Okay. Now we're going to open up Paint.js. Okay. Perfect. Amazing. Amazing. Now we need a likewise styled button underneath. I'm switching you over. Underneath, generate new thumbnail in same section that says upload custom thumbnail. That lets you upload 3 most common image types, of course. What this does here is replace the preview with my own thumbnail and the path, and replace the old thumbnail and remove the old one for the video from the path and reference in DB. That should be everything. Okay, what could go wrong? You could upload your own. If there is an error during upload, then it actually will use the old randomly generated one, or just generate a new one, whichever is easier. No, let's not say that. It actually will use the old randomly generated one without deletion in that scenario, right? Make sure we have progress bar in top right, like everything else we do for this process. Then we should probably reference our style. So this would be paint style.css. Bam! I'm taking a 2-minuter. Let's go. I'm gonna maybe grab a snack too before I come back. Who knows what kind of food Fit's gonna come back with. Guys, we're back after a 2 or 3-minuter. We have these updates from Claude I need to implement. And updated crap ton. Reroll. Updated here. Let's do that. Maybe should make a backup. We already did, right? Did we increase any functionality? I don't think so. JavaScript now 1,700 lines of code. CSS 1300 lines. Crazy. JavaScript. Do you have to start over the session? All right. What are we doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't see the button. Hang on, guys. Don't we have to add the button in the HTML, though? Is there anything else to implement? We missed? I wonder if this still works, though. Okay, seems to still work. Manage MP4 videos, hang on. Okay, this thumbnail generation takes forever for these long videos. That's cool. All right, actually, in this case, we don't need to add the button in HTML because we're dynamically creating the entire modal content in JavaScript when the show thumbnail modal is called. However, verify all the pieces in place. What? The only thing we might add is a maximum dimension. What? Huh? Wait, what? There's just supposed to be a button under the generate new thumbnail button. I don't see it. What are they talking about? This update is massive just to implement this simple. I guess there is some complexity because there's removal and association, and also it has to integrate with the generation processes, but that's actually not too complex. Does require verbose, levels of code just to get that done. More than I expected. That's part of the problem with scope creep. A lot of times in your mind, you think that the feature may take less code. I mean, I'm talking about myself at my level. Oh, and almost changed something there. We're almost done. Come on. Amazing. Okay. That was a massive JavaScript update. What else did we update again? Just the JavaScript, okay. Okay, let's try that. We are going to configuration, manage. I forget what we're trying to do. Oh, we're trying to generate the new thumbnail. No, we're trying to. Hey, it's fine. You can't save the changes while it's uploading. I like that. That's actually cool. Okay. I still don't see a button, by the way. Still don't see a button, by the way. What are you doing? It's trying to create a new modal. Okay. I bet you I have all this excess code now from those updates. Almost worth reverting to the backup just to clean it up. Again, oh, I didn't refresh the changes. Hang on. And manage button, please. Nope. Here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. What is going on? Huh? Help me implement. I think we do have to new cursor. Help me implement this change so I can upload custom thumbnail in same modal. I have gone over this with you already. It just needs to have an extra button below that looks just like it that says upload custom image. That's it. And then when you select the file, it replaces the preview of the generated thumbnail, and you can use the new one, and it removes the old thumbnail after you upload it automatically and updates references in DB. Come on now, where's the button? Nope, don't want to include all that code, just want to it's supposed to be right below generate new thumbnail. I kind of want to revert, guys, and use my backup. The reason I'm not doing it is because I'm on a mission. I want to just roll out these changes. I know it hasn't screwed up my old functionality pretty much. Okay. Connection failed again. Try again, maybe? Sometimes that works, I think. Who knows? No idea, really. Hopefully. We get to see a button now. Manage. Still no button. I cleared my cache and cookies. I know I did. Nope. Still no button. Nope. Still no button. How's that possible? Still no button. This should be so easy, dude. You're right. Let's add it right in the modal so that it works. Okay, third time's the charm on Claude just now. I had to, oh, the analysis is going very slow. Oh, now it's speeding up a little bit. Okay. Implement. Save. Go back here. JavaScript's ready to go. Where's my button? Upload custom thumbnail. Does it work? That would be incredible, wouldn't it? Okay. Let's find a file here. No, that's wrong. This is okay. Let's use that. Okay, amazing. Now I see the button, but when I upload it, it's not replacing the current thumbnail. Okay, amazing. Now I see the button. I love you. But when uploading, it not replacing current thumbnail. I see the issue. We need to modify the handle custom thumbnail function. Does not look like a lot of complexity. Look at this. Not bad. What is happening here? Current thumbnail source. So it's creating a current thumbnail. Okay. Now let's just implement this small change, which probably doesn't have cascading effects to fix everything, but it may fix the direct functionality I was trying to criticize it on. So let's pull that up here. Manage here, manage this, upload. Let's find what's this picture? Okay, that's fine. Oh, it does say generated. You can replace it. Now it says replace. Okay, hang on. What's happening here? Let's go to uploads, thumbnails. Hang on, let's view this. Okay, it's in the database. That's hilarious. Okay, so at what point did it actually get into the database? Now, okay, here's the issue. It should actually be simpler than that. Okay, amazing. Now, when I upload, it is inserting to DB. But when I do that, when it is inserting to path, but when I do that, it should update reference in table of the new image I uploaded properly, no matter file type, GIF, PNG, or JPEG, beep, 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 beep. And it should also, instead of having its own section where you preview the new uploaded thumbnail, it should replace the image in the current thumbnail section. Okay? And automatically start using it, right? This feature is going pretty fast. The amount of time I have spent on this is not that much. The fact that I'm just trying to upload a custom thumbnail and get it to manage the thumbnails properly. That's all I want. Okay, it is crashing. Okay. Can we cancel? All right, let's try again. I believe in you. Let's go Anthropic. All right, ba-ba-ba. You guys think it's time to switch over to beer, maybe? 12:13. I did promise myself I would never stay awake late ever again after last night. I took an oath to myself that I would no longer ruin my life by getting 0 sleep. And it's already getting late. I haven't played any video games. I want to. I haven't played a single video game today. Save all changes. Okay, that's still working. Thank God we didn't impede functionality there. Would have to go back to the backup, which would give us a loss here in progress. Okay. What are we trying to do? We're just trying to upload custom thumbnail, desktop. Okay, that worked, that worked, that worked. Now, all we have to do is just verify the pathing that it's working. That's all we have to do. Amazing. So we can make this very simple. Manage, delete. You know, and we are going to have to excuse me, we are going to have to oh, I just lost track of what I was talking about. Oh, yeah. We're going to have to make the thumbnails look nice, too. So when we style it for when you display the videos in the Media Hub, we're going to have to make them border radius kind of maybe the same size, even like pixels, like exact pixel size, something to accommodate different size thumbnails so they all look the same. Okay, hang on. What we should do is just, oh God, hang on, I did this wrong. Delete the video. It's really nice using this system. Can I just say that again? Like, just using the system I built for this guy feels so good. Part of it's because of I built it, but and why are these video files still in the database? How's that possible? Oh no, these are thumbnails. Okay, let's verify there's no videos. Okay, good. Thumbnails, 2 of them. Okay. Now, should be pretty straightforward, easy to test. Can't think of too many variations, okay? So we have this, got the proper thumbnail. Now we can just free up our life a little bit here. Go to the thumbnails. There's 1 thumbnail, okay. Now, upload. Okay, amazing. Now what's happening? Okay. Should be a picture of the Earth. Okay. So, amazing. Amazing, Claude. 2 things. When uploading custom thumbnail, we do need progress bar in top right, just like all other ones. Same styling, please, fitting for this, but we do need error code to pop up after there that is detailed if there is error uploading thumbnail. Also, when I successfully upload a custom thumbnail, everything is working perfectly except that it is not deleting the old thumbnail from the home path, right? In uploads / whatever. Can you identify what is wrong with our architecture here to prevent that from happening? I said those words because I wonder if there's an issue that is going on with identification of the thumbnails by using the name of the video as the pathing. I know we worked on that earlier, but I wonder if that could still be a problem here. Let's see how big of a change this is. In fact, I may have wanted to do a backup before this because this is significant progress. But let's just see what the changes are here. And hopefully they're not massive. I'm looking at this. Excuse me. Here's the error details. This looks valid. Oh, hang on. It's not analyzing the file done. It's not done analyzing the file yet. Connection failed. That sucks. It was... I wonder if the changes are still here because I think there weren't any more. Yay, the changes are still here. So we're just going to implement these. And then the reroll. Also, make sure your Peach Boy endpoint has this section probably handling the old thumbnail deletion. Okay, so reroll thumbnail. Apply changes. Good. Where's it at? It looks like it already had the change in it. So we did not have to... Whoa. Did I just type something? I did. What did I do? Oh, yeah. Right here. Okay. All right, so we just updated the JavaScript. That's it. What we should do is probably delete the thumbnails again. I don't know how that's going to make my... It just make it won't load the thumbnails anymore. That's okay. It's not going to make it crash or not load the modal or anything. That's okay. That's actually a very good thing. You want the system to still work even if it has for some reason, it's impossible almost for him, if I do this right, for him to have a video without a thumbnail, but... Did we just delete the videos? Yes. Have we updated the JavaScript? No, we have not. Update. Surrem. JavaScript. Bam. Bam. I wonder if my homies texted me and if they want to play games. Let's see. Manage. No videos. Okay. Testing. Desktop. Earth. Upload. Okay, we want a progress bar when we do it, and we also want to be able to... What? There's no progress bar. Did it have any CSS changes? I did not see it. Let's check the pathing. Is there a thumbnail? There's 2. Okay. There should not be 2. It's having the same exact behavior. Delete video. So we'll just do this one more time. Excuse me. Empty. Okay. Upload. Upload. Verify. Nice. Manage. Upload. Now, verify. 2. Okay. Still same behavior. No progress bar when uploading custom thumbnail. And no removal of file from path after successful full upload. Remember, I do not have to press save changes to make these changes. It happens magically when successful upload of custom thumbnail detected. That may be what happened earlier. It may think I was waiting to press save changes in the modal to apply these thumbnail changes. That's possible. I actually, after seeing the response from Claude, don't think that's the case, though. Unless, of course, the code says differently, but... And it says it can fix the progress bar and all this functionality just by changing the JavaScript. The reason it's not deleting the thumbnail is probably because of a pathing issue. It's probably because of what I was talking about earlier, because of the naming conventions. Oh, dude, let's give it the names of the two files. I think that's what's happening. So what we should do is just apply all these changes and then just reprompt it with the name of the files just to verify. We can do that with AI. So let's do that. I'm not sure how much I like these changes, actually. I'm not sure if I'm even gonna... Yeah. Let's just stop this. Cancel. Actually, I'm not sure if that would fix it, because I think it has to do with finding the name of the file, right? Look the names of them again. Can you see what's happening here? Let's go to reroll. Let's go to upload video. Upload video. We'll do the CSS. No, style.css. Pane style.css. Maybe referencing the CSS is a mistake there. It's possible. Dang, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to walk away while I was recording. I was at the fridge and I... Yeah, that was weird. Yeah, see, this was the problem. Guys, I called it. I prophesied this like hours ago. I mean, it's on video. You could tell me exactly in the comments how long ago I said this was going to happen. That we were using the wrong declarations of the... and associations for the actual name of the file. That's why it does have the code for removing it. It does not have the code to capture the name of the file name. Let's see what it's changing here. See, let's do this. Well, I don't like that it's getting rid of this debugging, but if it works, then I actually don't care. Let's see if my homies texted me. They did not. Okay. Delete. Manage. Okay. We updated the JavaScript. I'm just grabbing a new one of these. I could always duplicate this, I guess, huh? Okay. JavaScript. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I will try to show you all of my everything that goes through my brain. I do not like leaving you guys behind. I will try to do a better job of when I switch. Okay. You know, I'm sure you can imagine what it was like for me to multitask. And so I appreciate your understanding when I'm unable to deliver on the promise of keeping you clued into what I'm doing. Actually, I was looking at the just talk about that for a second. I was looking at some of my uploads the other day, and with this whole little pip thing that I have here, it's actually not too bad. If you zoom in on it, you can actually see what I'm doing. In fact, I was looking at it. You can kind of even see like the text and stuff. Okay, so let's see, thumbnails. And then when I'm streaming in 1440p, like 60 frames per second or whatever it is I'm about to do, or recording in that configuration, is going to be, okay, no progress bar. Let's see if we just have one thumbnail. Damn it. Still 2 thumbnails. Oh, wait, did I update my PHP as well? No, I did not, because when I uploaded reroll, it had no changes. After uploading custom and no progress bar in top, you are doing something very simple, fundamentally wrong. I love how I'm constantly telling AI, oh, it's so simple. It's so simple. You're doing so. But, you know, there is actually a reason why I'm doing that, because a lot of times I'm trying to guide the AI. A lot of times it gets caught up in like really complex stuff, and it's like, and it thinks things are the problems oftentimes that aren't. It'll be like, and it'll address all these issues. It'll be like, oh, I want to fix this and this. And a lot of times it thinks it's related, and I suppose it is, but actually when it comes down to it, it's totally not. So when I say this is so simple, what I'm trying to get the AI to do is actually just look at like name associations. I should probably be more specific, and since I am frustrated with the AI when I say things like that. But what's coming out of me actually is I'm trying to guide it towards not diving into the back end and really looking at the basic things of, am I using the right name for this object or class? Is this a variable that's defined that's not being called? That's what I'm trying to do. By the way, it looks like the same thing happened, implemented all these changes, then didn't have any at the bottom and crashed. So it doesn't matter if we can go ahead and just use whatever that upload was, or the update was. Here we go. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Manage, delete. Okay. Manage, 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 upload, 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 refresh. Go back to the pathing, thumbnails. I like that that thumbnail got deleted when I removed the video. Hooray. Okay. Now, upload video. Bum, bum, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Very cool. Manage it now. Upload a custom thumbnail. Will we get the progress bar? No, we will not. Will we get the clean insertion? No, we will not. Let's resort to talking to chat. Here we go. Oh. Chat, can you please... Let's not yell at the AI. Chat, can you please assist here? I've been debugging this for some time. Cannot tell what exactly I am doing wrong. What the fudge muffins? Hang on. Isn't there an easier way to do this? It should just be able to read the old file name using the old thumbnail path. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Pain, re-roll. Still same. I'm going to try using Claude actually before we resort to chat. Still same behavior. When uploading custom thumbnail, there's no progress bar in top right. It should just be same as other code. Also, it not deleting the old thumbnail. What is going on? I mean, this is a bad prompt, right? Hang on. It should just, when receiving an upload for a custom thumbnail, read the old association in the thumbnail column, delete that thumbnail, then sequentially enter in the new path for the new thumbnail. It should happen just like that. Isn't this just simple DB operations with SQL timed by JavaScript? Okay. I love how it's like, you're right. Making me feel like I'm right. God, I wonder how much excess code we have. I can't wait till they make AI just designed to just strip your code that you've generated using AI of all the excess code that has, and it can verify it is not getting used. That'd be awesome. Just like clean code, like a button that just cleans your code and just works 100% of the time, right? Like it will never remove code that you could potentially be using, right? And so a really smart AI designed for that would be able to almost have like 100% success rate. I believe that. Oh God, is it taking a while? Yes, it is. Going rather slow. Gonna pause this video, coming back with a fresh mod. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Just trying to perform this deletion of the actual thumbnail. Reference is getting updated properly. Everything is happening, working. We don't need to rewrite it. The existing, we just need to make sure we're passing the right information from JavaScript. Here's the corrected JavaScript. Now it's correcting the JavaScript again. How many times in a row do you have to do this? I didn't even prompt you to change the JavaScript. I implemented your changes. And then now you want to change something again? Like, what do you want to change? How does that make logical sense? What is all this? Now it's trying to use the same progress bar for everybody. It is changing my progress bar. I hate you. It's not going to work after I do this. No, I don't want to do this change. Man, this is so frustrating, you guys. Let's authorize it anyway. Let's roll out these changes. And let's see if there's any progress that was just made here. Apex Store reroll was updated. No, it wasn't, but we'll do it anyway. The JavaScript was most certainly changed here. After reviewing the JavaScript, I suppose the actual changes to the progress bar are not changes that changed things that I witnessed earlier, I don't think. So that's why I went ahead and went through with it. Okay, we do need to delete our videos if we have any. We do need to verify we have no thumbnails. We need to delete this thumbnail. Okay, and we did clear our cache and cookies, so we're good to go. Once again, no videos. Okay. And I even did a good job of switching over that time. Not bad. All right, guys. Progress bar still looks the same, so we didn't hurt that one, I guess. Wait, whoa. What about this one? Okay. Let's actually just make sure the progress bar looks the same here. I'm just curious. Okay, it's fine. All right. Now, let's manage some videos. We're going to just actually navigate away from this page real quick with a refresh, and then we're going to upload a custom thumbnail. Let us see what happens. Cross your fingers here, guys. Oh, progress bar. That's good. Now it's replaced. I wonder. There should only be one thumbnail here. Oh my God. How somehow there's 3? Oh, wait, hang on. It's because I uploaded 2 videos and then did this. Hang on. Deletion in progress. Amazing. Okay, so we're going to just delete the video. Okay. All right. Now, let's look at there should be one thumbnail in here. There is. Okay. Now, let's delete it. Okay, amazing. Now, we're going to upload a video. We are going to verify, manage, and then there is only one thumbnail here. Okay. Amazing. Now, let's get a quick snapshot of the... Okay, amazing. Okay, amazing. It is showing progress bar for uploading thumbnail now. But when inserting new thumbnail, it is not, and I repeat, not deleting the old one automatically. Okay? Here's a of the thumbnails before and after I upload a custom thumbnail. Look at what you're doing. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Okay, and then let's give it one after we update the custom thumbnail. Processing complete. It got an overlapping progress bar. That's stupid. Save all changes. Now, there should just be one. Be surprised if there should be 2. All right. Now, look at what you have done, Claude. Okay, now it is step-by-step analyzing it. I have some confidence that this may work. Okay, so save. And we did not update any JavaScript, did we? No, we did not. Beautiful. Upload. Reroll. Up 1. Upload. Apex. Reroll. Here we go. Manage. Delete video. Okay. Manage. Okay, now there should just be one thumbnail. And there is. Can we do it? Okay. Manage. Okay. Hang on. Verify. There we go. There it goes. Please just be one. Damn it. My goodness. Same exact behavior. This should be very simple. should be very simple. I'm sorry, Claude, but come on. Please look for associations. I mean, this is fundamentally not complex, right? Okay. It wants to simplify. So I have had success before when reducing complexity using AI. It may lead to success here. And I will even show you the prompt here. It just said we just want to simplify based on the prompt. And I've actually had that fix things for me before, so, like I said. So, all right, let's delete video. All right, here we go. Now let's go to the pathing. There is no thumbnail. Interesting. Interesting. Did we upload the new reroll thumbnail? I don't remember. I lost track of what I was doing. Reroll thumbnail. This is a saved file, okay? So it's a PHP file. We can now upload. Let's see. Upload. Manage. One thumbnail. Okay. How many thumbnails do we have now? Please be one. My God, you guys, we did it. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. I just want to meditate on that for a second. Part of me wants to stay up really late again tonight, even though I swore to myself after I woke up I'd never stay up late again this morning. You know, it's 12:50 right now. Like I said, I don't have enough time in my day. I'm really glad that we got this working. You know, I wasn't even sure if I was going to get this done tonight because I had to validate the rest of the admin dashboard, and it took some time because I also had to add a new feature. So now what we can do is just revalidate the whole thing, make sure it works. No changes made to role. Make him a user again. Role successfully changed. Now what happens if I change my role to admin? No changes made to role. Make myself a user. Self-demotion attempt detected. Operation canceled. Admin demotion blocked. Okay, so that works. And then we have the limits. I'm not even going to test that. The same with the price here. Has the same behavior as before. Cannot put in symbols. Cannot put in numbers, letters. It is limited. It has input validation that causes the price to instantly update when he's working on this. I mean, $10. What's the tax rate? 10%? That's $11 exactly. The math is working out. I mean, everything's great. Okay? So we did talk about the fact that when he manages his profits here, it doesn't update dynamically with Ajax, but that's fine. The upload video is working amazingly. I mean, I've been debugging this for hours now, and it's great. Super happy with it. One feature he could have later would be to build in maybe the ability to, you know, modify his file types, but or like, you know, transcode his videos, or like if he has like a WebM and wants it to become an MP4, maybe I could, you know, make it so he could do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this, you guys. I'm so happy. I don't even know what to say. Okay, so let's just get this going. Upload. Let's just manage this real quick. Let's we're gonna just max it out. Let's generate a new thumbnail. Ooh, I wonder, did that leave just one thumbnail? Oh my god, when I generated a new thumbnail, it deleted the custom one, you guys. Yes. What on earth? Up one level. One more thumbnail? Yes! Awesome. Okay. Enable? Yes. Everything works. Okay, but we did have... Okay, so to completely move on from this page, I do need to just make it so we can keep track of his storage, okay? So I do need to put a little section below manage videos, okay? Now, pane, style, amazing. Now we do need a section below the manage videos titled video statistics that shows. Oh god, dude, we can give him statistics on his views and his likes. Oh my god, I didn't even think about that. What? Oh, it does have the statistics right here under manage. Okay, so he doesn't need to see that. That shows. What was I trying to do here? Oh, yeah. Let's call this section video capacity management. Okay? And then my user cannot use more than, let's give him, I'm pretty generous. Let's give him 6 gigabytes of storage space between his thumbnails and video files, no matter the type. I need you to implement some code to track the amount of space they are using in those paths, and then of course if they try to upload a file that would make them exceed that limit, then the progress bar in the top should instead say limit reached, contact administrator for database upgrade. Okay, god, that's a lot. For now, I just want to test with 1 gigabyte limit, but then I will give you prompt later to increase to 8. Thank you. Okay. Did it even look at the files I referenced? It's not giving me any specific files to update. Hang on. Let's just save our progress here. Sorry, Claude. Oh, God, I wasn't even in the window. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, Claude. We are starting over here. All right, so we're going to reference to JavaScript. We're going to reference pane. We're going to reference styles. And then all I wanted to do was add some storage information. Maybe we should also reference reroll thumbnail, upload video. This has so many implications because, oh, you know what? Screw that. Hang on. I'm breaking this down into smaller sections. Hang on. All right, let's go to pane. We're going to just add these sections. So, thumbnails involved, no matter the time. I need you to implement some code to track the amount of space they're using on those paths. And then, yeah. So, we're just going to give it the first section where we're adding the readout of how much data they're using. That's it. Let's get that working. Hmm? Hmm? New chat. New chat. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Pain. Pain style. Whoa, I just gave it the wrong prompt. Hang on. Let's go to my history. It was this one down here. Now we can go back here. Reference pain again and the CSS. And then let's just give it the right prompt. God, it's 1 a.m. It's only 1 hour less than when I went to bed last night. And I don't want to stop. That's the crazy thing. I want to work on my other system right now. I want to pull up evpc.com and finish some bookkeeping stuff I was doing. Because last night, I got so far. I'm at the point where I can do my cost of goods sold now. And I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Okay, help me implement this into my PHP. And then I will just actually copy this into my CSS. Bam. And then help me implement this. Please, 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 please. Help me implement this in my PHP, please. Okay, and then pull it up. Pain. Let's go. I want some food, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's it using for the directories? It's an uploads videos thumbnails. Hello? Okay, I think I have to actually just okay. I think I have the code here. I just yeah. Isn't it? No. It's /upload uploads. I think that's gonna fix it. Let's see. Let's go back to. I'm so happy that the thumbnail management is working. A little complex, but when you break it down in steps, actually not that bad. And I did make that comment earlier that it really wasn't that complex, but it did require a series of steps, and there was a lot of things going on with the code, especially due to the length of it. So made it a little harder to work with the AI at that point. Does struggle to analyze excessively large files, just like anybody would. We did update the CSS. A little risky. I did look at it though. It looked okay. I'm not sure exactly. Here it is. Okay, Jesus, it does say 0. So my pathing is wrong. Let's look at the it's called uploads. Excuse me? Well, the pathing doesn't seem to be working because it's at 0. Wait, hang on. I don't think he has a video. That's what it is. Let's see. I wish this. I want to code this with Ajax so he gets live. Let's upload you know, a file that actually has size. There we go. It would be cool if this storage bar just filled up dynamically. Oh, that'd be sick. Dude, like you upload a video and like that storage bar for his storage use just fills up. That would be nasty, dude. I want to so bad. I don't see why not, right? All right, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go make myself some food. We're going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone and wrap up another 4-hour video long system. You know, guys, this is not out of the ordinary from now on. You are going to see so many of these videos. So many. And all of them are like 4 hours long. Like, if you thought I was a long-form content YouTube content producer before, when I was just recording raw gameplay footage and then putting it online without editing it, so you're there from the intro to the outro, this is like hours. YouTube's going to cut me off eventually. They're going to say, we don't have the space to hold all your video files. They're going to say, do something else with your life. Stop taking up our servers. So we're obviously testing this to see if this has any impact, if our file pathing was done correctly or not. Because once again, I will show you right here. I think this is correct. I don't know. So we're going to find out, okay? I'm going to pause you 2 seconds for you. 1 second, 1,000 for me. All right, guys, guess what? I uploaded the video. I came back. I hit F5. And then, bam, 0.27 gigabytes. It works, okay? And then all I have to do is just make it so that if his video file he's trying to upload exceeds the difference between all these numbers on the screen, right? I can just program it so these numbers, if he's trying to upload, if it's at 5.97 gigabytes and he's trying to upload, you know, 0.3 gigs or more, then it will just block him. So I'm actually not going to do that right now. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm happy. Okay, what this took another 3 hours and 30 minutes to properly validate this admin dashboard, which, by the way, is not bad. Okay, this admin dashboard, okay, the JavaScript, just, you know, before I leave, 1,818 lines of code right now. Okay, the CSS just for the admin dashboard is 1,378 lines of code. And look how big this page is. It's not even that big. Right? Look at this. Okay? Just this. With all the pop-ups and the progresses and the whatever. 1,378 lines of CSS. And by the way, I'm pretty sure that our PHP file, pane, has CSS in it as well. Okay, it doesn't. I cleared it all out like a good boy. But we have our pane file, 702 lines of code. Then we have update video status 52. We have 2 update video PHP files. What is happening here, guys? Crap. I don't know what happened there. But we have our upload video. We have our delete video PHP file. We have our we have our code stats PHP file. I mean, these are all PHP files referenced by admin dashboard, right? We have the save thumbnail PHP. Is this even being used? I wonder. Is this even being used? Let's see. Save underscore thumbnail.php. Let's see. Save underscore thumbnail nail.php. Bam. Okay. It is being used. So do not touch. Do not touch. Okay. And then there is another, it's upload video, remove profit is another one. So this admin dashboard page, even though it looks so simple, you know, just, yeah, it's detailed, it's nice. But it looks simple, right? It doesn't look like, it takes some mastermind to do this, does it? Okay. But then when you analyze what is actually happening here and how verbose the code is to achieve what is happening behind the scenes, man, does it blow up. But this is something I can dial in and become better at. These admin dashboards, particularly. The idea of making a system and then flushing out an admin dashboard with all this insane functionality, being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, with awesome progress bars and pop-ups and just an amazing snappy UI. I can get real good at that eventually. And by the way, aren't I already? Guys, I mean, I'm just gonna, for like this part right here, I'm gonna just start logging all of his pages so he can analyze the traffic on all of his pages. I have such a good framework already. So not to toot my own horn or anything, and it does take me an excessive amount of time to validate this. Maybe that's something else I'm gonna improve at. I don't know how I'm gonna do better at validation in the future, but it's possible it has something to do with keeping track of what I'm doing as I'm going. That's possible that could help me improve my workflows here. But I'm proud to throw in the towel after that. I mean, guys, this makes me happy. I'll say it again. I love this stuff. So wait, hang on. Oh yeah, these are the short videos. Okay. All right, guys. Well, we have done a great job. We could even make the video capacity management more detailed to show it by the file types. Now, my client does not need that. But if this was my system, I would certainly put that in there. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. You have yourself a beautiful rest of your Tuesday or whatever day it is when this video gets released. Coming out with so much content right now that I do have to offset my videos by a day or two sometimes. So, but it makes for steady releases and predictable content. Thank you guys for tuning in all the way to the end. If you did, by the way, you get to that like from me. You don't even have to leave me a like. I can leave you a like. Look at that. You didn't even have a choice. All right, guys. See you later.